So struggling in learning new data structures, this video is for you. Hey guys, this is Ashu, and today in this video I'm going to share some points that you can keep in your mind while learning any new data structure. So the number one point I want to mention here is that know the basic fundamentals, basic functionality of any data structure you are going to learn. Like know the basic code, syntax, and what are the properties of that data structure. The second point is that start practicing the question. Pick one data structure, know their fundamentals and know about that. And when you get the basic idea of that data structure, start practicing the question based on that data structure. So you can find a lot many websites on the internet for practicing the question, coding question based on that data structure. I would say start with the basic questions with that data structure and start do as many questions as you can. Coming to the third point, you can explore Code Studio by Coding Ninjas. It is a free platform which provides free online code editor and compiler in C++, Java, Python. Code Studio is the best platform to prepare for coding interviews, and you can find the top interview questions, their solution, guided path to learn various topics in DSA. Also, you can explore the data structures and algorithm courses provided by Coding Ninjas. You will be better prepared to crack the data structures and algorithm interviews after these courses. And the main feature of that course is that you will be provided by the doubt spot of teaching assistant. Individual attention will be provided, which is the main feature and very helpful. Teaching assistant will be solving your doubts and you will be better prepared to crack interviews based on data structures and algorithm. So this is a very much important point while learning the data structures, any data structures, that you find the things in a structured way. Like if you don't follow any structured method of learning the data structure, the chances of getting lost is very high. So I hope these points will help you learning the new data structures, and I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to the Coding Ninjas YouTube channel. Thank you very much.